we guide you through how to fix Apple Pay not working after iOS update. First thing you need to do is check that your device is fully updated to the latest iOS version and that update completed without errors. Next, open the wallet app and verify that all your cards and Apple ID are correctly signed in and verified. Then, check your internet connection and make sure Apple Pay services are not experiencing temporary outage. After that, restart your device and try re-adding any cards that are not appearing or not working properly. Also ensure that Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are correctly enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if Apple Pay is still not working, contact your bank to confirm there are no holds or restrictions on your cards. Then reach out the Apple support for further troubleshooting and guidance. So that's it.